cruise ships coming in, and will be coming on a round Britain cruise. So they'll have been in some of the big cities like Belfast, Dublin, Liverpool. If they come to Holyhead, they're seeing a smaller but very important historical town, and they like the local culture, the local buildings, very different atmosphere.
When the cruise ship visits on the berth at Holyhead, the typical day would be a very long, busy day where they will have breakfast on board the ship, and then they would be allocated their excursion. The excursion will pick them up and take them to wherever the destination they've chosen.
We get thousands of visitors with the potential to come into the town, spend their money in the local shops, businesses, cafes, the pubs, visit to the Maritime Museum and the church at Chaergybi, and also local charity shops even, and the RNLI. Visitors are very interested in history and heritage and taking home a little bit of Wales to wherever they come from.
When the passengers themselves say to me that they've really enjoyed the day and it exceeded their expectations, as long as we've achieved that, that's the main objective.
And from that, we hope that many of the passengers will come back again on future cruises or come independent of the cruise ships and again spend locally.
The future's looking very good for Holyhead, for the cruise ships coming in. We know that they've booked ships already for next year and the year after. We know cruising is a very popular holiday option for people now, and I think people, particularly after the pandemic, are very interested to get out and about. Even if it's their own country, we even get people from the UK travelling on the cruise ships, not just from America and Australia and Europe. So I think potential is great to bring in more money to the local economy.